Amore, and today I'm sharing a Valentine's treat box with you. It's these little treat boxes here. I love this stamp set. This is in a new occasions catalog, and the framelits also. I love this framelit set. It's so beautiful. And we're also using our shaped stitch shapes for the handle, but it's a cute little, and it holds quite a few treats actually. So this one's a Flirty Flamingo, and this one is Lovely Lipstick. And so I'm going to show you the Lovely Lipstick one today. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to get through this video without a coughing fit. If I do, I'm going to try to edit it out so you don't have to hear me, but I'm still trying to get over that flu. So anyway, this is a piece of 6 by 7.5. I'm sorry the way my nails look. They're terrible, but I haven't been able to get out to go get them done, so I apologize for them. All right, and then you're going to need a piece that is Whisper White, and that's just to cut out the heart. And then this is our matting piece. It is 1 7/8 by 3 3/8. You'll need one piece for our little banner, and this is 1 by 3.5. And the designer series paper I'm using is the All My Love designer series paper. It's so cute. And I love this. And you know, the occasions catalog is out and celebration is live. So if you spend $50 before taxes, you will get a free product to choose from the celebration brochure. All right. And then you're going to need another piece of Lovely Lipstick to cut out our handles with. And we're going to use the Big Shot to do that. So these are the framelits. So look at these framelits. They are called Be Mine Stitched Framelits. Look how gorgeous these framelits are. There's so much to them. Look at these hearts. And the detail in this one is just beautiful. So we are using the smaller scalloped one right here, where it goes right there. That's the one we're using for this. I'm using this little flower right here. And this is also from these framelits. And then we're using the stitch shapes, and I'm using the smallest and the second largest on that. All right, let's set that aside, and let's go ahead and score our box first, then we'll do our stamping and Big Shot work. All right, so we are going to score this. This is the 7.5 inch side, and we are going to score it at 2 and 5.5, and then you're going to turn it on the 6 inch side, and you're going to score it at 2 and 4. That's it. It's a really, really easy box. All right, so you are going to cut up this score mark to the first one, this one as well. And I am going to cut out a little bit from here and here. And then we're going to shorten these just a little bit, just to cut down on some of the bulk on the inside. We're going to do the same on this side. Just cut up to that score mark, take a bit out, and then cut across. And then again. So it will look like that. All right. Now I'll get my bone folder here, and we're going to sharpen our score marks. And we're ready to put this together. It's going to fit quite a bit of chocolate or candy, whatever you decide to put in it. It's a pretty good size. Alright, so I'm going to use Fast Fuse. You can use your tear and tape. You can use Tombow. Anything that's a strong adhesive. And then we're just going to pull these sides up, line them up, just like that. So that's our basic box right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and stamp. So I'm going to use this beautiful heart, some lovely lipstick, and we are just going to stamp that. And then I am going to write love in the middle of it, and I'm using the stamp set Pick a Pendant, and it has all these little alphabets right here. So I'm just going to use again the lovely lipstick, which I shouldn't have closed up, and then I am just going to stamp love. You can put whatever words you want in it because it has the full alphabet, and it has like 2, I think, of each of the letters on there. Okay, so now we're ready to bring the Big Shot up here, cut this one out, and then cut our handles out, and we'll be ready to put it together. Okay, so I'm going to use my magnetic platform here. And this heart also is going to cut out that little frame heart that's on here. And I'll show you that in just a second. So we have our heart right here. And then this little heart is right there. So we have both hearts cut out at the same time. Alright, now let's go ahead and cut our handles. So we're going to just put these one inside the other. Make sure it's as even as you can get them. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my little flower out at the same time. And what I like about the stitched, you don't have to use them if you don't have them. You can use your regular circle framelits, but I like the stitched because it has that little stitched edge on your handle, and it really looks cute. So there's one right there. We need one more. And we'll run that one through. And now we have both our handles ready. Save the little inside that comes out, this little piece, because you can use that for a tag. Alright, now I need to like poke these out so I can get my little flower out here. So there's that little flower. Now we have everything ready to go. Alright, so let's put this together now. Let's go ahead and mat it first. I'm going to try to grab some snail really quick here. Oops. Look how pretty that side is too. I wonder what it would look like with that side. Let's just go with the solid. I think it's a little bit, it might be a little bit too busy for this. The snail is out. Seems like every time I pick up a snail, I need to refill all my snails. So I'm going to go ahead and use my fast fuse. And we're going to set that on there. Now for your handles, you can do one of two things. You can either cut the bottom off here, or you can just adhere it like that. So let's just go ahead and adhere it. Use a strong adhesive for this because you don't want them to fall off. So I suggest the tear and tape or your Tombow to make sure they stay in place. And just look and make sure you're making them even. So there you go. There's the handles on there. Isn't that cute with the little stitching around it? Can you see the stitching on it? And now we're ready to add our little banner piece. We're going to just banner the end here. And did I say this is 1 and 3 and 1 by 3.5? So we're just going to banner that. I'm going to add that. And then I'm using our polka dotted tool. And I'm just going to stick a piece of some fast fuse there. You can use your Tombow for this because it dries clear. And then I'm going to use my Tombow for the heart here. Just going to put it all the way around the edge. And we're going to add that one there. And then this one we're going to add here. And you have to hold the Tombow for a minute. That's why I don't use it as much in the videos, because it just takes a little bit of time. And I'm using my sheer Whisper White, and I'm just going to tie a little bitty bow. And I think I'm going to use a glue dot for this part. And I'm just going to put that right here. And then our little flower is just going to go right underneath. Just right there, underneath that little bow. In fact, you can put it on first if you want. And then that is it. You can add what I used for the bags. The bags of candy are this All My Love ribbon combo, and it comes with the Flirty Flamingo, and then it has the lovely lipstick here. This lovely lipstick one's really pretty. So it is on here. Isn't that pretty? And then you can just put that inside. And I'm using the 3x6 cellophane bags that Stampin' Up! Carries. So that is all 3 of them right there. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Don't forget, Celebration is going on. If you use my hostess code for January, you get put in a drawing for rewards dollars at the end of the month. And so I think that's it. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.